which primer to use if you got a stain on your ceiling. So save yourself time, guys. Don't think that you can just paint any paint straight over the top and it's going to cover it. 5 coats or whatever, it's going to keep coming through. Don't try to get any other undercoats. You got to get this stuff. Do it once, do it right. All right, we got a few problems here. Van is out of fuel. This car has run over a tile clip. These are dangerous, these things. Proceed to grind it off.
Yeah. So we put a little bit of water on there. You ever seen any bubbles? Yeah. There was bubbles before.
Keep it in there, eh? Yeah?
I would keep it. Yeah, you can see it. It's fizzing.
Yeah.
Just a little bit, but enough to make me know that.
So we're going to grind it off.
Better off to leave it in.
And then we're just going to cut the nozzle on our caulking and caulk it. Who am I? That's fixed. We had a few areas in this job where we had to remove and replace parts of the ceiling. This was one of them. And it was really terrible back here. So what we did, we just unscrewed, we had the door down all morning. We unscrewed these brackets, put the new ceiling up, set it around it so we could put the brackets back up, which holds the door up, and then we can use this again. We're still waiting for the electrician to come back and do the lights. So that's why we bought our own lights, mostly painting in here. We've got cornice going up.
You're doing like 2-3 units in one day, and then you just go multi.
What's going on in here? We've got some cornbread going on in here. Happy birthday to you.
He's 20.
He's 142. Yeah, we cut out a lot of the ceiling. That gap there is for a vent. So cornice just goes on the back. He's done these internals nicely. These internals were filled with that mesh tape. Don't ever use mesh tape.
Really? Maybe in a really.
Yo, it's your boy Be Easy, yo. I'll crack it in the dope. I won't leave no note. No, all right, maybe not.
Possibly.
Yeah. Am I in the way?
Yep.
That's pathetic.
What?
I'm gonna get in the fucking comment section myself and go, why didn't you just use a bigger length? I'm gonna get in the comment section my freaking self, mate.
Yeah.
Let's tell them what happened. We won't tell them.
I won't tell him.
Don't worry about what happened. Don't worry about what happened about that. And, oh, we got some fresh cornice. Ceiling paintings to do. Another cutout there. So, we are short of painters. We need painters. Abdul, you remember Abdul from the videos? Hi, Abdul. Abdul said he'll work on Saturday. He wants cash. I'm like, yeah, well, what do you mean? He goes, 45 an hour cash. I'm like, bro, mate, Abdul, haven't even done an apprenticeship. Yeah, you work hard, but come on, man.
Yeah, that's the right way. Just checking.
Yeah, it's always good to test it. It's always good to test it on the other side of the saw, like not the sharp side. Not. That's a joke, boys. That's a joke.
Well, at least I'm not going to cut my fingers off.
So that's about it. We are heading into a lockdown. So all you essential people, all you non-essential people, get off the roads. We got drywall to do. All right, I'll tune back in soon. We're just wrapping up. We've got that going on there. Then we've got painting going on out here. We've got stain blocking going on. Hey? What?
As the Queen said, Eugene, his birthday.
No, you can do it. I mean, I'm in my whites, so. Anyway, I'll talk with you. All right, so we've got some water stained ceilings. This is a video on how to fix up your water stained ceilings. I'm here with James, seasoned veteran painter. And that's the product right there. B.I.N primer. This is another one. It says it can do stain blocks. Doesn't work so well on water stains. We've tried that, haven't we, James?
Yep.
We've tried it up here, and you can see it. It's still bleeding through, so you definitely can't just paint over it. It'll come through.
And in here as well, you can see it's even worse on this one here. See up there?
Yep, it bled straight through.
And straight through the water-based stuff.
So that bullseye stuff doesn't work for that.
Yeah, it only works for certain stains, but not all stains. But that's water-based.
And they do say, don't shake those up. Yeah, they do. And there'll be a lot of stuff on the bottom. Let me get you a little stick.
Yeah.
All right, bit of H mold. Might remember from previous video, we pulled that out. And this stuff settles on the bottom a lot. So you need to give it a good stir for it to work. But this stuff's great if you're trying to paint timber and it keeps staining through, smoke stains, any kind of stains. This stuff is the product to use.
Yeah, it'll work on all stains.
Yeah. Yeah, this one only some stains.
Yeah.
You get lucky. So just go straight out and get this one. This one's water-based.
This one's shellac-based, but there's also an oil-based one that's pretty good as well. So either oil-based or shellac.
Yep.
Shellac-based.
And it dries really quick. So what we're going to do, we're going to go around and we're going to stain block all the areas in the whole house that we have to do. So, and you do want to be careful because it's very runny and you can get drips very easy. But yeah, if you have water stains on your ceiling, head out to your Home Depot, your Bunnings, or wherever you want and get that product. B.I.N primer. Anything else doesn't do it properly. Yeah, that'll do it. Yep.
If you have to do use a lot of this stuff, you should probably wear a mask too, because the fumes on it are pretty strong.
Yeah, we're lucky we only have a little bits in each room. If you've got a lot to do in a whole room, yeah, you definitely want to use a mask. And guys watching at home, it's important to feather your edges really well because you might get rid of the stain, but then you don't want to see like a sharp finish. And I'm sure a lot of people in this neighborhood are looking at how to fix their water stains because this neighborhood got hit hard. Same neighborhood as the that hail damage project that we just finished. Got a bit more, there's a bit of a fat edge on that. Yeah.
Yeah, this roll's not rolling too well.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's sort of
sticking
sticking like that other one.
Pull it off the, pull it out a bit.
Yeah.
Normally fixes it. Dries down flat. The stain is not going to come through that. Oh yeah. So save yourself time, guys. Don't think that you can just paint any paint straight over the top and it's going to cover it. 5 coats or whatever, it's going to keep coming through. Don't try to get any other undercoats. You got to get this stuff. Do it once. Do it right. And we'll try this on for size.
That's a hole.
Yep. Well, we'll remember that. All right, I can hold that. Go. There we go. All right, so let's get a sheet in here. Get a plastic in here.
Ooh.
Yep. That's all right. That's a good demonstration of how wet it can be.
Yeah, that roll is just sort of really tight and all in one direction.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Just spreading it out. I don't want to push on the roller too much because then it'll all leak out. So just a little bit of pressure. And I can feel the spray getting right over my new shirt. You can get this product also in a spray can. It's good for quick ones. And it's also a good undercoat to use if you need something to key into a surface. You know, you can use this. I think it goes all right like that. And if you do happen to find another one, we're gonna have to get the boys going with the lights. There's a lot of pop screws getting about.